Our mission is simple: deliver on the promise of regenerative medicine. The human body is a powerful thing, constructed with the building blocks needed to help heal itself. However, as the body ages, those regenerative abilities slow, and we are left with this question: is there a way to aid the body's ability to heal from within? We at Predictive Biotech believe so. Our FDA Registered Laboratory is equipped with cutting-edge scientific technologies necessary to surpass the FDA's Good Manufacturing Practice standards in the production of human cell and tissue products. Our proprietary processing techniques were developed to maximize the donated tissue's regenerative qualities. Utilizing state-of-the-art testing equipment and FDA standards, we maximize safety while minimizing product variations. Our vision is clear. The promise of regenerative medicine is revealing itself every day as research and applications grow. The only thing more important than the facts is sharing them. Where does better begin? In action. This ethos is realized in our continued engagement and education efforts with members active in the medical and research communities. Because we believe that better begins with research, with standards, with a promise. Better begins here.